This property is in Vista, California, and approximately half an acre. The house sits on a quiet street. This part of Vista has a rural country feel. There are beautiful, big mature trees that provide shade and scenic backdrop. Shopping such as Albertsons and Sprouts is only a mile away. This property goes all the way back here. I mean, there's so much space. You can build an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, or a workshop, or a garden shed. This property is part of the unincorporated area of the county, which typically has more flexibility when it comes to building and land use regulations. If you're considering a project, definitely check with the county planning department before to understand the requirements.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.